imagine that you have been uploading on YouTube consistently. Your titles, your thumbnails are on point. You optimize your videos for search and for recommendations, and you're not getting the kind of results you are getting before, and you just saw a sudden drop or a sudden stagnancy on your channel. The problem might probably not be from you. Probably your channel could be under YouTube's surveillance. Hello guys, so welcome back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. Someone asked if shadow ban is real on YouTube, like if YouTube can intentionally relegate your videos or place restriction on them that they won't be visible to a wider audience or even majority of your audience. So the answer is yes, shadow ban is real on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can know if your channel is shadow banned and where you can find it with your mobile phone, where you can find out if your channel is shadow banned. So some few weeks ago, a creator reached out to me and he complained about the challenges he's facing on his channel, that he has been consistent but he wasn't getting his expected results. So when I checked his channel, I discovered that he has over 100,000 subscribers. And what I noticed that was disturbing was that most of his videos, they barely get over 200 views. So I asked further and he told me that he bought the channel from a previous owner, and he knew nothing about the history of the channel. So that was a big red flag. So I told him that probably there could be something wrong with the channel previously when it was being run by the previous owner. So this triggered my curiosity to make some other research with other channels. So I now discovered that some channels have been shadow banned by YouTube. So there's this particular channel that I checked. On this platform, I checked the channel. I discovered that there were so much issues with this channel. So please, I would like to show you on the screen. So this channel, currently the channel is, the monetization status is off. So that means that this channel is not monetized. And coming down here, you see that this channel has over 16,000 subscribers. And this channel has uploaded over 1,100 videos. And you can see other related stats about this channel. But look at what I want you to see here. If you see under this row, it says is the channel under the radar. You can see that it says the channel is shadow banned. That shadow ban is detected. This channel is under YouTube surveillance. So when you click on this info icon, it gives more details about the possible reason why this channel is shadow banned by YouTube. So one interesting thing about this channel, what made me bring out this as a case study, was that in the past 28 days, this channel with over 16,000 subscribers didn't gain one single subscriber in the past 28 days. So now I'm going to show you how you can also, check your channel if it is shadow banned. So what could be the reason why your channel could be shadow banned? There are a lot of reasons, but let me just give you the basics. Now, if you violate YouTube's community guidelines, this is very important. You as a creator on this platform, you should be aware, you should have at least a basic, idea of YouTube community guidelines. So I'm going to drop the link to Google's website where you can check, can read about the YouTube community guidelines. There are so much, but it's a good thing as a creator on this platform for you to have basic idea of it. So another thing is like when you spread hate content on your channel, you talk down on personalities, and when other users report your channel, this can put your channel under YouTube surveillance. So there are lots more, and most times what I noticed from the research I've made, I noticed that most of the channels that have this issue are channels that are into gist, blogging, trending topics or trending news. Most of these channels fall victim of shadow banning. And also coming to the health and medical aspect, if you're not a certified person by the authority and you start, spreading some false information about health and medicals, your channel will be under the surveillance of YouTube. So these are some of the real things that you can do that can trigger this. And also, if you're a frequent person to the YouTube copyright claims, like if most of your content are being claimed copyright wise, that could also trigger, you being under the surveillance of YouTube. Imagine that you have been uploading on YouTube consistently, your titles, your thumbnails are on point, you optimize your videos for search and for recommendations, and you are not getting the kind of results you are getting before, and you just saw a sudden drop or a sudden stagnancy on your channel. The problem might probably not be from you. Probably your channel could be under YouTube surveillance, which we also know as shadow ban. So for you to find out if your channel is under YouTube surveillance, what you need to do is to copy this link and then open it on a browser. So now it is opened on my phone. You can do this on your phone as well. So you now open your YouTube app. The next thing you need to do is to copy your channel's link, open your YouTube apps, go to your channel's page, then the three dots on the upper right, click on them, then click share, and then copy link. So go back to your browser and then paste your channel's link on this box. Then type the number you see in the captcha. So I have here 218 and then enter. So this will give me the stats about my channel. It will give me the monetization status of my channel and other related, other information that is necessary or that are important on my channel. So right here, you can see that here it shows that Tech Informant, the channel Tech Informant is monetized, and every other thing, the channel is perceived as original, good 100%, ads are active and 100% owned by the channel. So everything here is in good standing. Comparing this to the channel that I talked about, you can see that because of their channel was shadow banned, everything about it is on red. So you can see the monetization status is off. Some of the videos on this channel are not original. So just like what I said earlier, for those of us doing reaction videos and you say a lot about other people's content, so be mindful of how you make those content. Especially don't make sure that you don't trigger hate or raise hate opinions about people, because when they report you and when they report your channel, consistently, or so many reports about your channel, you might not know, YouTube might not contact you, but you see some restriction on your content. So guys, be careful how you make content on YouTube. I know everybody is desperate to achieve success on this platform, but the way you go about it is very, very important. So get your phone, open your browser, copy this link, then copy your channel's page link, and then check if your channel is shadow banned. So now, if your channel is shadow banned, is there anything you can do about that? Currently, I can't give you a yes or no answer, but I think I'll be monitoring this particular channel to see how they resolve their issue. So if they resolve their issue, I will come back and make another video about this and then share with you their experience. So now what you need to do is focus on original content, and when you make original content, avoid controversial content or controversial topics, so that will go a long way. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you haven't watched my previous video on shadow ban, I explained in detail some of the things that you can find out and how you can even check. Probably if you cannot go to this platform, you can also reach out to Google to know whether if they placed any surveillance on your channel. So give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have been shadow banned before on YouTube, or you have some symptom of shadow ban, please let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of this wonderful community. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.